Up YouTube. Alright, so today we're doing wheel hubs on a 2003 Saturn Vue. Ran into a few issues, of course. One of the most common things that you guys will probably all run into, which is probably the same thing we ran into. Sorry, my videos suck, but... Okay, anyways, if you look right in here, you can see the wheel hub just rusted itself to the car, or to the knuckle that it goes into. We've tried everything, smacking it with a hammer, just, using all of our might that we can, and it was just the biggest pain in the butt. Well, I've got two mechanic friends. The one came and helped me, the other one gave me this great idea to just go out and buy these bolts that you can get at any automotive store. They cost literally like $3-4, same with the nuts, and you just need 3 to 5 of them. And what you do is you take out your lug nut, just smack it out with a hammer. Ours we had to cut out because to replace these on the Saturn Vue, you have to remove the wheel hub. Bright idea, right? Really bright idea. So we had to cut them out, pound them out with a hammer, and then we put these in their place, and they're just your regular bolt with a nut on it. And then all we did to get it out was you set it on the metal that goes behind it, like that. Okay? And you put the nut on this side of it. Put a wrench on there, hit this side with an impact, and your problem solved. Now, the reason that you have multiple of them is to make sure that it comes off evenly and not cockeyed where it's gonna, get stuck on this wall in here. And then the next thing you're gonna want to do before you put your new one in, make sure you clean this out well. Make sure, there we go. Make sure that your surface is not, dinged or anything like that after you've cleaned it. And then you're also going to want to make sure that these threads are all good, because those will also be a pain when you go to put the new ones back on. So, go ahead and if this video helped you, like and subscribe, and let me know how I did in the comments below, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.